Here's that cj7 we did a frame off on. Frame's been going through. Engine's been re-gasketed and reshot. Resprayed. Trans have been put back like it came. We just got the black on it last night. We got the bed liner in it just now. We're gonna do this one a black silver stripe cj7. She came out really nice. Tub looks wonderful. And we did a rhino liner top and bottom. Oh, it's a little focus. It is super clean. New bushings. We did poly bushings on it. It's gonna be a good Jeep. Focus. There we go. She's as solid as a rock. I can't wait to see it put back together. And like I say, we'll do the cj7 stripes. It comes down the fender and shoots back. We're gonna do them in a silver and do the silver Renegade on the side of the hood. It's gonna be nice. Summertime's coming. This is gonna be a good one to have. We sprayed the firewall when the tub was off of it, and we set it back down so it wouldn't get overspray all over the motor when we tried to paint that. It's a 304. Like I said, it's got new gas. We got a new HEI distributor we're gonna put in it to get a good hot spark out of it. How cool is that though? Be hard pressed to find one nicer.